If you're in the market for new kitchen appliances, you've probably heard the term pyrolytic oven, which is really just the fancy name for a self-cleaning oven. And as you can see, that's something I could use right now. With a name like pyrolytic oven, it's safe to assume there's some pretty advanced tech involved here. So today I'm going to take you through exactly what pyrolytic is and how it can make cleaning your oven so much easier. Often the best recipes are the ones that make the most mess, and if you're anything like me, your pasta bake can never have enough cheese, but not all of it always ends up in the dish. One way to keep your oven clean is to clean up spills as they happen, but in reality stuff gets baked on and it requires a whole lot of elbow grease and a ton of chemicals. That's where pyrolytic ovens come in. They utilise a ceramic coating so that they can withstand extreme temperatures. This means that all the fats and oils can be burned up into ash and simply wiped clean with a cloth. No chemicals needed. I use this function once every 2 to 3 months, but you can use it as often or as little as you need to. For me, avoiding all of that hard work is worth a little bit of extra investment. Next time you're in the market for new kitchen appliances, consider making your life easier with a self-cleaning pyrolytic oven from NEFF. Find more tips about NEFF appliances and kitchen design at the NEFF Kitchen.